I'm Tasha and welcome to QUB Conservation, your lockdown lowdown on new ecology research. In this series, we challenged biologists at Queen's to tell us about exciting new research in just a few minutes. In today's episode, we're going to be speaking to Lilian about her research into seabird foraging patterns.
My name is Lilian and I'm a research fellow in marine ecology.
Why is understanding foraging patterns of animals important?
I look at how biophysical parameters such as prey fields and hydrodynamics sort of shape the foraging distributions of marine predators. And I think this is really important because it can hopefully help us to predict their responses to environmental change, such as climate change or the introduction of man-made structures into our seas.
Could you tell me about how animals react to different types of water flow conditions and how this might affect their foraging patterns?
Oh, I've been looking a lot at seabirds, especially surface foraging seabirds such as terns and gulls. And they actually rely on sort of physical processes in the water to bring their prey up near to the surface.
So some of these tidal energy devices, the way that they might change water flow patterns could be really beneficial for birds then.
So last year we conducted a study looking at the number of foraging terns over diverse wake features in the nearest tidal channel. And we found that for all features, there was actually strong tidal coupling. So whenever we had the strongest flows going past these features, we also found the highest numbers of birds foraging. However, we did actually find the highest numbers of seabirds foraging over sea gens wake. So it seems that the sea gen wake probably generated one of the most intense wake features. Using underwater acoustics, we could actually see that this sort of surface turbulence that we could see in the drone image was actually penetrating all the way down to the seabed. And we could really visualize that this sort of turbulence was probably stirring up material across the entire water column, so bringing prey up towards the surface for the terns to then forage on.
Can this information then feed back in things like bird conservation and green energy development and where these turbines might be placed in future?
Because we are already intensively modifying our coastlines, and this is called marine urbanization, there's a lot going on in our coastal waters. And if we are now installing ocean energy structures, we just need to make sure that we do it in a way so that it doesn't harm our marine species.